Welcome to this edition of the MTBC EHR tutorial. In this tutorial session, you'll learn about a new feature embedded under chart section, that is pediatric. Let's go ahead and click on pediatric and see how you can document details. The first feature under pediatric history is birth history, and the first item is antenatal history. Now, in case if the patient came in and she reported swelling of feet and she denied problems with previous pregnancies, you can go ahead and check this box next to swelling of feet under history of, and problems with pregnancies under no history of. You can also document comments by clicking in this box. For example, the patient had reported swelling of feet as well as pain in the ankle. Now, for instance, if the patient did not report any of these problems under first item list, you can check this box next to no history of, which would automatically check all these boxes. And in case if the patient reported all these problems, you can check this box next to history of, so that will select all these boxes under history. So this is how you can document the first item under birth history list. The second item under birth history is natal history. You can go ahead and document length of gestation by clicking in this drop down list. You can select one of these options. You can also select duration of labor, rupture of membranes, and so on. Now, in case if the patient reported abnormal bleeding, you can go ahead and check this box, and denied complication during labor, you can go ahead and check this box. Similarly, you can go ahead and type in comments regarding abnormal bleeding, and that would go ahead and complete natal history. Last but not the least is postnatal history. For example, if the patient reported any birth injury, you can go ahead and check this box and type in comment, such as the baby sustained head injuries. So this is how you can document birth history details under pediatric history. Let's go ahead and move on to the next feature, which is feeding and nutritional history. Click on top of it. Under feeding and nutritional history, you have the item list, which displays the conditions. Now you can go ahead and comment about these conditions or type in details by clicking in these boxes. For example, type of feeding, age of weaning, you can click on these drop-down lists to select one of the options. If the patient had reported any use of vitamins or supplements, you can go ahead and check this box, as well as you can document amount and frequency of current diet. So this is how you can document feeding and nutritional history under item list. Let's go ahead and click on developmental history and see how you can document details. Now, under developmental history, you see the item list. These boxes represent normal status for these conditions, as well as thank you for watching this edition of the MTBC EHR tutorial.